Now we are going to fill in this dam to create the catchment area. We need to prepare different data sets. For that, we utilize digital elevation model. The first step is to fill the dam, fill the sink. So I am just putting digital elevation model in this input surface raster. This is the elevation model of Parvat district of Nepal. So I am taking this, and I just want to replace the name of what I want to replace the name is Phil Parvat because it's a Parvat. We are a Parvat. Okay. Now we need to change the output location from here. You can even select to the desired folder where you want to put this file. I just want to put this in 103 media under bias. Okay, name is Phil Parvat so that I can use this dataset whenever I need again. Run. After some time, we get a new product in which the name is filled. Then this field name is used to create the flow direction. Flow direction. For this, you just go to geoprocessing tool and search flow direction. It will be appear in the first line. First line. Then in the input surface raster, you select the fill Parvat and the name and the desired folder. I want to put this dataset in this folder. So uh, mm, its name is flow direction Parvat. Okay, flow direction run. It's not being because the name is. I think the name is flow direction. There is some error in name. Okay, because I use the capital letter. Flow direction appears in these sorts of color ramp 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's still 128, right? The pixel represent different values. Then for flow accumulation, we need to use flow direction, and I just want to change the path and output name. I'll put its name flow accumulation. Flow direction has already been computed. Now I need to compute flow accumulation, right? Flow accumulation spatial tool. It's under the hydrology section. You can even go manually from hydrology to flow accumulation. Okay, and it's easier for me because I know the command to search. Now I am inserting flow direction, and the name will be flow accumulation. Flow flow accumulation accumulation. You do not need to input anything in these layers. Just click run. It will take some time, more time than computing flow direction and flow filling the sink. Okay, you just wait for some time. Mm, okay, now these are the places through where the water may flow or accumulate, right? And we can even decrease the transparency after selecting this layer. Just click in this layer, and in the top tab, there top screen, there is a section called raster layer from where you can increase its transparency. I just want to make it 50% transparent so that I can see the boundary behind this layer, right? I just want to uncheck flow direction and fill. Then this is the flow accumulation. Now for catchment area delineation, you need to add a power point from, or we can even say outlet point, right? I am going to add that point, the point of the point named station. This is my station, discharge station. I have the data of this station, but it's way beyond the river path, the river where water may accumulate. So I just want to transfer or create a new station data mm, in reference to this. I think this pixel will be good, because it's just adjacent to this station, right? So to create a new shape file or new feature, new point feature, the station is a point feature, vector feature. So to create this, we need to go to command section, catalog view, and you can now create or even add the new database. For your easiness or to teach you right now, I just want to add a new database. Mm, there you can insert the name, the data. The name of my database will be discharge station, DISCHARG station database. It's about discharge station and it's discharge, so I want to name it discharge station. Now click on the OK. It's empty uh, bias. Okay, I just want to add. Okay, I think I need to create a new database, new file database. Okay, sorry for the error. Just select the folder where you want to create a new database under I want to create it under the file bias, and the name will be discharge data station. Okay, and save. After saving to this desired location, we need to create a new feature class, and for the point we need to select this polygon to point, change this to point. Okay, and name it station 1, right? After naming it, just click on next and finish. Now it created a new database. You can even see it here. I think it's not visible right now. Remove. I want to remove this. Oh, station 1, right? Mm, just add station, real station data. And now to create it, to edit it, we need to go to the edit section. Just on the right side of view, you can find the edit, and here you can create. Okay, here you can see a create tab. Then click on this, and I just want to create a point in in this data feature, right? So after clicking to this data feature, mm, a cursor appears in a cross way in your screen. Then just click where you want to create the feature. It it must be in the center of the flow accumulation for proper watershed delineation. So I am creating it in the center, and the next step is to save this data. Okay, it takes some time. Then you can uncheck this after saving the data. Now for watershed delineation, you can go to the tool and search watershed, right? Then it appears in the first row. Just click on it, and in the input section it has asked us to input flow direction as well. So I am inserting the flow direction, and in the next Next section, it asks us to put or insert the feature poor data or outlet that we have created just now. And in this section, we are going to add station one. We are not going to change anything. Just run this feature, okay? After running the feature, you can get a layer like this. This is the watershed of your area. It's unrastered because the value is represented in a scale unique feature stressed value, right? So you need to convert it into the vector data set. You can even go to the tools again and search raster to polygon. After searching these, new command will appear. Then in this input raster, use the just created watershed, and the name will be watershed. Watershed. This is our final watershed. This is our final catchment area. Okay, and I don't need this, so I am going to removing. And to calculate the area of these of this polygon or catchment area, just open the attribute table, and then here add a new column named area, right? Then uncheck this, there will appear a new tab, mm, just telling us, do you like to proceed saving or discarding this column. Now I want to save this because I need to compute the area. And after, you can see a new column. Now you need to compute the area through calculate geometry. Here calculate geometry tool can be used, and in the property you just select the area, right? Here you area geodesic area unit square kilometer, because square meter square would be too small because the area is large. And under the, you can even set the coordinate system, under which coordinate system do you want to calculate the area. Mm, I want it to be in WGS 1984 UTM zone 45N. Okay, it's under my favorite. I had selected this coordinate system as favorite because I continuously use this coordinate reference system, and this is good. But you just, instead of selecting the geodesic, you just click area, okay, and then apply. After applying, you can click OK. The area is 109 square kilometer. Okay. Then again, mm, this is the first water set. Then you need to create another water set for this point, because this water set will not be enough to model, mm, the discharge, to discharge to this point. So I'm going to create a new discharge station where I want to transfer my discharge. And then just right click on this new feature class. Again, the name is station 2 because I am going to transfer the discharge from station 1 to the discharge of station 2. And the method that we are going to compute is use is catchment area delineation. Mm, catchment area catchment area ratio method. Okay. After creating a new feature, you just return back to the map, and then in edit you create, and here you will see, oh my god, I got a mistake because I created a polygon. Instead of polygon, I need to create a point feature, right? So that was my mistake. Now I'm again going to create a new feature named station 2, but it will be a point, right? Just click next. You can even select the projection system. Here I am going to select WGS 1984 favorites, because my other data sets are in this projection system, this geographic coordinate system. Mm, okay, cancel. Okay, now I think the new point feature has been created. Station remove this feature. Station one, mm, here, new feature class. Station two, point, and then go to next, 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 next. This configuration keyword what? Mm, next. Use the configuration keyword. Okay, it's default. I think it must be a station one, not station two. Mm, Go to catalog, right click, new feature class, next station, next, next station. I'm just going to name that point and finish. I'm not going to click next this time. And then you moving towards map, you see a new feature, right? Just go to edit section and then create and then select. I'm not going to selecting this because next decision. I'm going to select next decision. Then I want to make my next decision in this outlet point here, here the accumulated water. Um, and then save edits. Save after saving, you just close this tab here again. In the analysis tool, you can even find water said right, water said, and flow direction because you have the flow direction of overall area, so you can select that again. But in the new PowerPoint data, the data set will be next station. Okay, then run. After running, this new water set has been created. I think this is the section. This is the area through which all the water accumulate to this point, comes to this point. Okay, again I am going to convert these to the raster to vector layer, raster to polygon, right? Polygon is vector, polygon, raster to polygon. Then in input raster you just name water set flow 3 value, everything is right, but in this name I may get confused, so I am just going to change the name to water set to run. Okay, then a new water set has been created, right? This is different, this is different, two water sets. I don't need this. And again I need to compute the area. To compute area, you add a new column named area, close the tab, then there will a section appear to save the data, so save the column. Then the column will appear, calculate geometry, area, just fix the coordinate system first. Under the favorite section, I have WGS 1984 UTMs on here, and you click area, and to what you need, do you want to compute the area? I want to compute it in square kilometers, so I inserted it and apply. Okay, right, 143 square kilometer. The area of the second water set is 143 square kilometer. Now I'm just going to turn this off, right?